This box was sent to only 50 stylists in the entire company. How fun is it that I get to be one of them to share the insides with you? Thank you so much for coming to watch. My name is Chantel Wall, and I'm a stylist out of Toronto, Canada with Stella & Dot. I've been in the business for just over 7 years now, since 2012, and what this box is our business in a box. So it is all of the supplies that you get when you start your business. It looks very different to what I started with 7 years ago, but let's take a peek at it together. So when we open it up, the first thing you'll notice is it's got a message on the inside. Welcome. It's so nice to meet you. I love this because it's a nod to the community of Stella & Dot. One of the things that we joke about a lot as a team is that we came for the jewels, but we stayed for the women. And one of the amazing things about this business is the friendships that you build with hostesses and customers, as well as your team members and the stylist community at large. So I love that because it's a perfect start to your business. As we hop in here, we've got a poster, look great, feel great, and on the back, it's got some messaging about Stella & Dot's mission and our MO and kind of everything that is behind Stella & Dot. We're style powered by women for women, and I love the fact that this company is so female forward. It's just really empowering and a really great feeling. And then we've got lots of business supplies. So, for example, you've got a gift bag. You've got you've got a couple of different brochures. So we've got the Covet brochure. This is for our Luxe line, which is conflict-free diamonds, ethically sourced genuine leather. So we've got lots of beautiful luxe jewelry as well. There's also the Everything brochure. This talks a little bit more about our stylist opportunity and also our Hostess Rewards program for anyone who's looking for a little bit more sparkle in their wardrobe or in their life in general, right? It's a great reason to get together with girlfriends if you're a stylist to share the style with them, or as a hostess to share the style with your friends. There's also 2 packages of lookbooks. These are great for sharing on the go. I've got a variety of places that I work with that leave these in their reception areas so people can peruse and browse. We come out with new product 4 times a year, and I love the accessibility of how small and cute these are, and they're so well done. Look how bright and attention grabbing that is. So I always make sure that I have a couple in my purse to share with people on the go as well. There is a pack of paper order forms in here, but I will note I barely ever use a paper order form anymore. Stella & Dot is a really amazing high-tech company. We have a couple of different tools that have been designed in-house to make sure that we are connected and ready to sell on the go. So we've got an amazing app that helps us to place orders online. It also does digital coaching. There's tons of webinars. So while you have these paper order forms, my bet is that you probably will find that they're just for those bad news bear situations where you just can't connect. But even then, if you've got your phone, you can take a note of everything that you need and save it for later. We've got a sign so people know where you are if you're at vendor events, things like that, and you're sharing Stella & Dot in the community. You can pop that up on your table. More business supplies. There's also these folders that we can get. We actually can earn free business supply credit every single month with Stella & Dot, so you don't have to necessarily be buying all of this stuff out of pocket, which is really great as well. And then the last thing in the box is this Stylist Success Guide. This is key. It's a great little workbook around how to launch strong, how to really succeed in this business, and where your focus should be, and how you can make the most of your first 30 and 60 days. That 30 days is called Quick Start. First 60 days is called Jump Start. And in those times, you can earn an amazing amount of product credit and bonus cash as you go through launching your business, and this will also share with you how to make the most of that time. Also, besides paper workbooks, you're going to have a lot of people behind you. So again, I mentioned just before that there are webinars and online tutorials that you can do that are a little bit more interactive. And then also, when you're with Stella and Dot, you have an upline. So that person is your coach, and they're there to mentor you and to provide you with any answers to any questions that you might have. The last thing that I think is so cute that I'm realizing now that there's nothing left in the box is that it's got this little message. You are beautiful, you are strong, and we are here for you. That's exactly what I was just talking about. Even though you might be doing Stella and Dot for yourself, you're never by yourself. So, anytime you have any questions, there's always a community of women. It's kind of come full circle to the beginning of the video. There's always a community of women that are there to help you out. Now, besides your business in a box, you have two options for sign up with Stella, and there's a we choose and a you choose. So if you choose what you want in terms of products. So you're going to get this sort of stuff in a box, but you're also going to get to pick $500 of whatever product that you want to display and to wear, so that you can share the style. There's also the We Choose option. That tends to be $100 more, so it's a $99 price point versus a $199 price point. And in the We Choose, you're getting $1,000 worth of product to share in some of our best sellers. I was looking at what is currently up there on the website, and it's a top, 2 bags, 2 pairs of earrings, 6 bracelets, 1 statement necklace, 4 layering necklaces, and a charm that comes with the We Choose. How can you lose all of that for $199? Like, that is bananas. So very exciting, and it's an incredible way to launch your business. Like, that right there is all of the style that you need to make an incredible display to share with the ladies in your life and the ladies that you meet who want a little bit more sparkle. If you want more information, or if you have questions, you can check out the link below, comment below, message me. I am here to answer any questions that you might have. And thank you so much for watching. I hope that you take a chance on yourself. This is absolutely the best decision that I have ever made. I never ever thought that I would be doing something like this, and 7 years later, it has brought me so much joy, so much amazing community in terms of the women that I've met, some pretty fantastic jewelry and clothing, as well as, most importantly, a whole lot of confidence that I didn't even know that I could have. I wish all of that for you and more. Thank you so much for watching. Have a very sparkly day.